In this video, we will cover the topics of the cell membrane, proteins that assist in cell membrane functions, and various instances of molecules moving through the cell membrane. This is the phospholipid bilayer. It is made up of phospholipids and cholesterol. Its function is to control what goes into and out of the cell. The phospholipid is made up of two fatty acid tails and a phosphate group, and glycerol. The cholesterol helps the cell membrane maintain structure. This is a channel transport protein. Its role is to allow certain molecules to pass through the cell membrane. It helps move molecules from high to low concentration. This is an active transport protein. It uses ATP in order to transport molecules from low to high concentration. This is a receptor protein. Receptor proteins bind with molecules that give directions to the cell or activate functions in the cell. This is an attachment protein. It attaches to the cytoskeleton to assist in cell membrane structure. This is a glycoprotein. It is like an ID tag so other cells can identify its cell. This is a junction protein. It attaches the cell to other adjacent cells. This is the process of simple diffusion of oxygen into the cell. Simple diffusion allows for small molecules to pass through the plasma membrane without a need for a protein. There is not a need for ATP in this process, and it is a type of passive transport. As you can see, the oxygen molecules seamlessly pass through the plasma membrane. This process is facilitated diffusion of water into the cell, or osmosis. Osmosis is a type of passive transport. Osmosis does not need ATP, but it does need a channel protein for the water to pass through the membrane. This process allows a cell to take in water or lose water without energy. This is a sodium-potassium pump. Cells use an active transport protein to pump sodium and potassium molecules in and out of the cell. So this is a type of active transport. This process uses ATP in order for the molecules to pass through the cell membrane.